In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Wix website. By the end, you'll have an audio player on your page with your own track attached, ready for visitors to play. Before we start, have your audio file saved on your computer and make sure you have the right to use it. Common formats like MP3, M4A, and Wavy work well, and keeping the file size reasonable helps pages load smoothly. With your site open in the Wix editor, look to the left toolbar and click the plus icon to add elements. This opens the full library of items you can drop onto your page. From there, choose the video and music category. This groups all the media tools in one place, so you can quickly find what you need without digging through unrelated elements. Next, select audio players. You'll see different player styles, minimal bars, larger cards with artwork, and more. Pick the design that fits your site's look, then drag and drop it onto your page. Place it where it makes sense for your layout, usually near content that introduces the track or on a dedicated music section. As you move it, alignment guides will help you snap it into a clean position, and you can resize it to balance with surrounding elements. With the player selected, click Change Track. This is where you connect the actual audio file and set the details that display to visitors. Type the artist name exactly as you want it shown, then type the track name. Clear titles help listeners know what they're playing and can improve accessibility and searchability on your site. Click Upload. Track to attach your audio. In the media window that opens, select Upload Media. This lets you pull the file directly from your computer. Choose your music file and start the upload. Once the upload completes, the track will appear in your media library. Select it and confirm, and the player will update to show your artist and track name attached to the audio. Give it a quick test by using the play button in the editor's preview. If the volume feels too low or too loud, adjust your original file and re-upload for the best listener experience. Keep in mind that many browsers limit autoplay for user privacy, so expect visitors to press play themselves. You can always refine the player's size and placement afterward to keep your layout tidy and mobile friendly. That's all it takes to add music to your Wix site. Add the element, choose an audio player, and upload your track with clear details. Save your work and your music is ready to share.